Hello and welcome to one and all. In this class, we will check on the next topic in Unit 10, Telangana Economy. What are the demographic features of Telangana state? Okay. Now, what do I mean by the demographic features? See, it is nothing but the changes in quantity and quality of population. Changes in quantity is what are the changes that are happening over time in the size of population. Okay, so to what extent the size of population has increased in a particular state. In this case, it is the state of Telangana, and the quality of population, that is what is the human resource development of that particular state, that is what is the educational and skill attainment of the population of the country over a period of time. So that is what we mean by changes in quantity and quality of population. And apart from that, what are all the changes that are happening in other demographic features, that is sex ratio, the number of females per males, what is the density of population, what is the extent of child population, etc. So all these things are called as the demographic features. And for your information, the studies of population is known as the demographic studies. Okay. So now let us check out what are all the demographic features or the changes that were happening in the area of population in the state of Telangana. First, what about the size of population? So the total population of the state of Telangana, it was not Telangana in 1951, it was Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so the total population of Andhra Pradesh state was 1.1 crore in 1951, which has increased to 3.52 crores in 2011. So you can see that the population of AP has more than doubled between 1951 to 2011. Okay. Now coming to the after the bifurcation, the share of TS population out of the erstwhile AP. So out of the total erstwhile AP population, what is the share of population of the Telangana state? It is 42.7%. Okay, it is 42.7%. So 42.7% of the total population of AP are the population of Telangana. Okay, now Hyderabad district is the having the top position with 39.43 lakh people. So the population in Hyderabad is the highest with 39.43 lakh in TS, that is the Telangana state, and the Kumaram Bhim district is bottom with 5.16 lakh in the state of TS. Okay. Now next, when you look at the growth rate of population, that is what is the average annual growth rate of population. So you can see that the average annual growth rate of population in TS is 1.4%. Compared to all India, it is 1.84%. So you can see that the state of Telangana was able to control the growth rate of population compared to the all India level. Okay. So these are all some of the statistics regarding the size of population. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. What about the density of population? So what is the meaning of density of population? What is the average number of persons living per square kilometer? So that is the density of population. So you are taking the area also into consideration in that particular area, that is per square kilometer, how many persons are living. So we are taking that average. So the average number of persons living per square kilometer is known as the density of population. So you can see that in Telangana state, it is 307 per square kilometer persons are living, compared to all India, which is 373 per square kilometer. You can see that the density of population in Telangana state is lesser than the all India. See, always we compare with the all India statistical data. Okay. And in TS, only in Hyderabad you can see it is top with 18,172 persons per square kilometer. And you can understand the reason for this because of the better infrastructure, better industries, and our emergence of all the IT firms. So because of the better facilities and better development in the Hyderabad district, you can see the more number of people are preferring to settle in or stay in this in Hyderabad. So that's why the density of population in Hyderabad is high with 18,172 per square kilometer. Okay. Now next, moving on to the next feature, what is the child population. So child we are considering here 0 to 6 years of age. Okay, right from the time of the birth of the baby up to 6 years of age is considered as the child population. Okay, so the what is the child population to the total population of the state. So the child population to the total population of the state, which was 14.2% in 2001 in the state of AP or Telangana, AP, which has reduced to 10.5% in 2011. So if the child population is showing a decline, a decrease, so that indicates the birth rate is controlled. So that indicates the social development of the particular section of the country, or in this case it is the state of Telangana or AP. So the birth rate is controlled. So that's why it has declined from 14.2% in 2001 to 10.5% in 2011. Here all the statistical data are as per the 2011 census. Okay. Now this statistical data in almost all the districts in Telangana, it is the same. That is 10.5% in 2011. That is the share of child population to the total population of the respective districts. But only in Mehboob Nagar it is slightly high, which is 17.4%. Okay. So this is the statistical data regarding the child population in the state of Telangana. Okay. The next, moving on to the next one. What about the family size as well as the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe population to the total population? Now what is the meaning of a family? So normally we say family, parents and children living together, isn't it? Or grandparents, or we say it as a family, or we say it as a joint family. So what do we mean by that? Whatever our family, if we are living together, that is called as a family, isn't it? So if you want to know the definition, how a family is defined, it is defined as a set of persons living together and sharing a common kitchen. Okay, so that is the meaning of family. So how do we calculate the family? Average family size is calculated by using the formula the total population divided by number of households. Okay, so in TS the average family size is 4.2. So approximately 4 people, that is the average family size in the state of TS. So I mean for 0.2 we cannot take into consideration. So parents and 2 children. So that is the average family size in the state of TS. Okay. So and regarding the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe population, as per the 2011 census, the percentage of SC population to total population is 15.45%, and regarding the ST population, it happens to be 9.08%. Okay, and if you look at the district of Nalgonda is having the highest SC population, and Bhadradri of Kottagudam is having the highest ST population, and lowest Kumarambim district is having the lowest SC population, and Jogulamba Gadwal district is having the lowest ST population in the state of Telangana. Okay, and I don't think these are all quite difficult to remember. And moving on to the next one, sex ratio. The meaning of sex ratio is what is the number of females per 1000 male population. And for your information, the more number of females per 1000 male population is considered as one of the indicators of economic development. This is found in almost all the developed countries. We find more number of females than male population. So it is considered as one of the indicators or one of the signs of economic development. Okay, and we also call it as better sex ratio. So if the female population is more than the male population, then that is also called as a better sex ratio or the favorable sex ratio, or otherwise it is called as the unfavorable sex ratio. So you can see that in the state of Telangana, it is 988 per 1000 males, 988 females per 1000 male population, whereas in all India it is only 943 females per 1000 males. So you can see that in the state of TS the sex ratio is favorable. It is better than all India. Okay. Now coming to the share of immigrants in Telangana population. So what is the meaning of immigrants? People moving from other states. Okay, that is also, other countries also. We don't have that much problem of people moving from the other countries, not only in TS, not even in India also we don't have that kind of problem. So how much, what is the number of people, the amount, the volume of population who are migrating from the other states to TS, that is what is known as immigrants. So the total migration of population from AP and also from other states to TS happens to be 62 lakhs. So out of the total population of Telangana state, 62 lakhs happen to be the people migrated from other states. So what is the total population of Telangana state? We have seen, isn't it? It is approximately around 3.52 crores. So out of this 3.52 crores, 62 lakh happen to be people migrated from other states including AP. And why it is people are migrating from the other states? Because for better opportunities. So where do you find the better opportunities? Only in urban areas. So because of this people migrating from other states to TS, there is a growth of urbanization in the state of TS. And regarding the urbanization, it's also more and more areas are developed in as urban areas, okay, with better infrastructural and other facilities compared to the rural areas, and also better job opportunities. That is one of the main reasons people are migrating from other areas to the state of TS. And when you look at the urbanization, the Rangareddy district tops with 70% urbanization. Okay, so that is the, even if you take the all India level, it is only the 30% or 30 to 35% is the urbanization in all India level. But Rangareddy district tops with 70%. That is mainly because of the Hyderabad, which is 100% urbanized. Okay, and Hyderabad falls under the Rangareddy district. And you know the development in Hyderabad, just now I mentioned better IT firms, better job opportunities, better infrastructural development, all those things. So because Hyderabad happens to be under the coming and falling under the Rangareddy district, the urbanization in Rangareddy district is topping with 70%. Okay, so these are all some of the demographic features of the state of Telangana, and you are supposed to remember all these statistics, and also which are all the districts which are in the top position or in the bottom position. Okay, now this is the answer. This is also one of the 5 marks question that can be asked in the board exam. Okay, now moving on to the answer. As usual, describe the demographic features of Telangana state. There are significant changes in the size of population of Telangana as well as in its other demographic features over the last 7 decades of census years from 1951 to 2011. First one, population. The total population of Telangana more than doubled from 1.1 crore in 1951 to 3.52 crores by 2011. Out of all the districts, Hyderabad district stands first with 39.43 lakh population, while Kumaram Bhim district is at the bottom with 5.16 lakh population. The growth rate of population in Telangana is 1.4% per annum, which is lower than all India growth rate of 1.84% per annum. Okay. Second one, population density. The average number of persons living per square kilometer in Telangana is 307 per square kilometer, which is lower than all India average of 373 per square kilometer. Hyderabad district, being the capital city, is most densely populated with 18,172 per square kilometer. Third one, child population. In Telangana, the share of child population, that is 0 to 6 years, marginally decreased from 14.2% in 1951 to 10.5% in 2011. The share of child population to total population in almost all districts is nearer to state share except in Mehboob Nagar, where it is 17.4%. Fourth one, family size, SC and ST population. A set of persons living together and sharing a common kitchen is defined as a family. Average family size, the formula is equal to total population divided by number of households. In Telangana, the average family size is 4.2. As per 2011 census, the percentage of SC population to total population is 15.45% and ST population percentage is 9.08. Highest SC percentage is found in Nalgonda district and lowest in Kumarambim district. Highest ST population percentage is found in Badadri Kottagudam district and lowest in Jogulamba Gadwal. Fifth one, sex ratio in Telangana. It is defined as number of females per 1000 male population. The sex ratio in Telangana is better with 988 females per 1000 males compared to all India ratio of 943 is to 1000. Share of immigrants in Telangana population, the last one. The higher growth of urban population in Telangana state is mainly due to migration of population from AP and from other states. Total migration of population is 62 lakhs. Rangareddy district is top in urbanization with 70%, which is mainly due to development of towns and suburbs around Hyderabad that fall in Rangareddy district. Okay, hope you have understood. If you find this video useful, please like, share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, until my next class, take care. Bye bye.